If someone truly wants to find purpose in life, they should begin by studying the first chapter of Mesilat Yesharim, the Path of the Just. There, the Ramhal, Rabbi Moshe Chaim Luzzatto, gives a clear direction, answering a fundamental question: what are we here for? He writes that the foundation of everything is for a person to clarify and internalize their purpose in this world. Why were we created? What should be our focus in life? What is the goal of all our efforts, day in and day out? Let's pause and ask, what's the purpose of life? Is it just to eat, drink, work hard, and then leave this world? If life is only about this physical world, the journey seems strange. Think about it. A person is born into this world with nothing. Their parents clothe them, feed them, teach them. Then they grow up, start earning money, buy a house, pay off a mortgage, furnish the home, build a family. By the time they're 70 or 80, they finally have everything in place. No debts, a family, a comfortable home. Just when they're ready to enjoy the fruits of their labor, they leave it all behind and move on to the next world. What's the point of all this? It's no wonder so many people feel lost, questioning, why am I here? What's the meaning of all this? The Ramhal gives us the answer. The first step is for a person to clarify their purpose. He writes, "Our sages of blessed memory have taught us that a person was created only to delight in God and to enjoy the radiance of His divine presence. This is the ultimate pleasure, the greatest joy a person can experience." So, why did God create us? To connect with Him, to find true joy in that connection. But here's the key. The journey to get there is this world. This world is not the goal. It's the hallway to the banquet hall of the next world. As the Mishnah in Pirkei Avot teaches, this world is like a corridor before the world to come. Prepare yourself in the corridor so you can enter the banquet hall. Imagine someone entering a fancy building. They sit in the hallway, admiring the chandelier, thinking they've arrived at the main event. Hours pass, but nothing happens. Only when the staff starts cleaning up do they realize they were in the wrong place all along. If they'd only understood earlier, they would have prepared for the real celebration. The Ramal reminds us, if we understand that this world is the hallway, our task becomes clear. Use this life to prepare for the next. When you live with that awareness, focusing on your true purpose, you'll not only succeed spiritually, but find joy and fulfillment in this world too.